machines, big and mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things. They're mighty machines, lifting and pulling and flying so high, building a building up to the sky. You can watch them all day and never know why. They're mighty machines. Hear them roar, watch them soar, sit right down and see. There are stories to enjoy for every girl and boy. Mighty machines, big and mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things. They're mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things. They're mighty machines.
Hiya, kids. I'm the big dude around here. Have we had a snowstorm or what? I've been plowing the streets since early morning. This snow has got to be cleaned up so people can get to work. We've got a big job clearing the snow from the streets. There's a whole team of us working. Lots to do, but we're up for it. Sure is lots of the white stuff. There's so much snow, we can't even see the playground. Not everybody hates the snow. This fella seems to be having a great time. The whole city is clogged. We've got to get the cars off this side of the street, so big machines like me can take away the snow. Come with me, kids. The rest of the crew is back in the yard getting ready.
Hey, Blower, are you ready to go? It's really snowing out there.
I'm just warming up my engine.
Bet you kids have never seen snow blowers as big as us before. So, Blower, did you get your blades fixed?
Yep, I'm all set.
Have the Bobcats left already?
They're inside, keeping warm as usual, waiting for orders.
It's nice and cozy in here.
Cozy? Who wants cozy? I hate waiting. Let's get at the snow.
Look, I'm a new guy here. What are we supposed to do out there?
Little guys like us, we have to clear the snow from the sidewalks. We're small, but we're strong. And we go where the big guys cannot go.
Yeah,
That's right, man. Right.
That's right. But I can lose my sign and get all scratched up. I hear it's rough out there.
Never mind that. We've got a job to do. Ah, here comes my driver. He's got the orders to move. That's great. I'm out of here. I'm going to join Big Dude and the rest of the crew.
We need every piece of equipment out on the road if we're gonna clear the snow from this storm. All right, let's get to work.
Boy, the snow's really coming down. them, big dude.
See you on the streets, Bobcat.
Okay, Bobcat, let's go to work. We've got to get the snow off the sidewalk real quick, because the snow plows are coming.
Right, Bobcat? Oops! Sorry.
Fun. Hey, watch it! Watch this! Boy, this snow is heavy!
See? I can be careful when I want to be.
We've got to hurry! The snowplow is coming!
Good work, Bobcats.
No problemo! One last pass and we're done!
Those Bobcats are great. They get all that snow out into the street, so plows like me can push it into nice straight snowbanks. Just the way Blower likes it. Easy does it is the best way. There, that looks pretty good.
I'm the biggest truck in the crew. Come on, Blower. I can still take more.
No, you can't. You're full. Get going.
Oh, okay.
He is a big truck. Look how much snow he's carrying. Okay, kids. I'm Blower, and I'm the real star of this team. My big blades out there in front whirl around super fast and gobble up the snow. I'm so strong, I can throw that snow all the way up into the back of the truck. That's mighty powerful. Gosh, sometimes I even impress myself.
I'm Little Dude.
I'm just running behind Blower, cleaning up the little bit he left behind. There, nice and tidy. But we're not done yet. Grader plows what's left into a nice, neat snowbank for the second pass. And Mini Plow tidies up the sidewalk. Everybody does his little bit. And here comes Blower again.
Wow, the team has done a great job here. With this last pass, the street will be as clean as a whistle. Everybody sure has worked hard. The downtown is almost clear of snow. Now we can move on to where the houses are.
What a night! The snow just kept on falling. But that's fine with me. I love it! Here comes the team down the street. That's Blower and Dumper. Hiya, guys!
Hey, big dude.
Hiya, big dude. Thought I'd find you around here somewhere. You must be happy. This is a great snowfall.
Oh, yeah! Best one this year!
These streets sure are narrow. We can barely squeeze past. Keep moving, you big lug of a truck.
Yeah. Just fill me up, Blower.
There's way too much snow to just push it to the side of these streets. We have to take it away, or there'd be no room to park, or even drive. What's wrong? You guys stuck or something?
Stuck? Are you kidding? Not a chance. Hear my engine roar? No one's got more power than me. Slow and steady. That's what I say. The snow doesn't have a chance against old Blower.
Am I full yet?
Done. Away you go. Let's get a move on here, guys. We don't have all day. We need the whole team.
Okay, we're coming.
Don't blow a gasket.
Here I come.
Don't go too fast, or you'll make me miss.
Keep it coming.
We'll fill her right to the top. You're full now. Away you go. Keep on trucking.
Keep on blowing!
Hi, Big Blue.
Hi, Blower.
Boy, if we had to use shovels to clear the streets, it would take us a whole week. We're doing a great job, guys. That street is spiffy clean.
Okay, that's it for me.
Who's next?
I'm next.
I'm off to dump my snow. See you later.
Let's go, let's go. We've only got 5 minutes to clear this street.
Okay, I'm ready. Fill me up.
Delicious. All right, that's it for us. All that's left is the cleanup.
I'm just gonna push this pile over here. We'll pick it up when we do the other side of the street. Go right ahead there, Mr. Taxi. While I'm finishing up, why don't you kids see where the trucks dump their snow? That'll be fun!
Hi, kids, I'm Casey. I'm a backhoe. My job is to keep this grate clear of snow. The grate is for safety so machines like me don't fall down into the hole. It's really deep down there. You want to know what this is for? Well, watch what happens.
Okay, back it up. Here I come.
Little more. A little more. A little more.
Right on target.
Boy, that's gotta be heavy. Higher. Little higher. Little bit more. That's it.
Wait for it. Whoa! Ever neat.
That was spectacular. all that snow falls down through the grate and into a giant sewer pipe, where the snow is swept down into the river.
It's my turn. Watch out! Boy, this is a heavy load. That's a load off my mind. I'm off to get more snow. See you later.
I've got the biggest load of all. Just watch this, kids. I can push this thing right up in the air with one arm. Bingo! Any more left in there? Okay, I'll be back soon with another big load.
I'm a tow truck. I'm part of the snow removal crew. That's the warning sound. If the cars don't move, we have to tow them away. The snowplows need room to work. I'm gonna pick up this car by the front wheels. There's always one or two we have to take away. There, it's all rigged. Up you go. Coming with me. I'll just take you around the corner and out of the way.
Are you still with me, Bobcat?
Sure am, Bobcat.
Eat anything else lately?
Okay, Smarty Pants. Let's go, go, go!
Move it, move it, move it!
you doing, Blower? You've been working all day.
Yep, we've been going at it a long time, but it's nearly finished.
Tired?
No, not me. I love this work. In fact, in the summer, I'm thinking of going to the North Pole where there's tons of snow.
You know, Blower, I think you'd be happy if it was winter all year round.
Yeah. Bye for now, kids. See you again in the next snowstorm.
Mighty machines, big and mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines, lifting and pulling and flying so high, building a building up to the sky. You can watch them all day and never know why they're mighty machines. Hear them roar, watch them soar, sit right down and see. There are stories to enjoy for every girl and boy. Mighty machines, big and mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines.